Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So, did you know what's the difference between ever, never? Listen, guys, both of them are mostly used in present perfect tense. Ever means at any time. And never means not. Ever is mostly used in the question form, and never is a normal sentence, is used in a normal sentence. Ever, like, have you ever? Question mark. And we say I have never, and there is full stop at the end. Alright, so let's see the first example. Have you blank studied German? Question mark. So here we have question mark at the end, so we use ever here. Next, I have blank seen a dolphin. Full stop. So here this is a normal sentence with a full stop at the end, so we use never here. Next, have you blank tried cooking? Question mark. So here is question mark, so we use here ever. This is the best book I have blank read. Full stop. Never. But it's incorrect. We have to use ever here because this is the superlative sentence. The best is the superlative. So the rule says ever is also used in superlative sentences. Like when you say something is the best, the most, the worst, and all these cases we use ever. Next, I have blank drunk iced tea. Full stop. And we use never here. This is the first time I blank eaten Italian pizza. So you do this one and let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.